Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So now in this video we will see now when I am trying to search for this Leela and when I am trying to press enter, then only we are able to search the value. But here what I want to do is, so here I don't want to press enter the value. Whenever I am searching on change, here down the context needs to be search filtered. So how we can achieve this one? So here you need to understand carefully that here, for example, let's say that where is this one? This form will be submitted whenever we press enter only. But here this form needs to be submitted whenever we are trying to change the value. So that means here the form we are not pressing the button or not we are not pressing the enter. This form needs to be submitted whenever this value has been changed. So for this one, how we can submit the form whenever this input box value changes. That means on keystroke, how we can change it. So now for this one, what we can do is, so we have another hook, useful hook, that is nothing but use submit. By using this use submit, we can submit the form. So we need to send that form, which form we need to submit it. You call the submit, automatically that form will be submitted. So for this one, what we need to do is, so here you need to import constant submit is equal to use submit. It should be something, I think it is not available. Use submit. Now this should be imported in the React router DOM. So here use submit. This is the thing. So now using this use submit hook, we can submit the form manually. Now when we need to submit the form manually, here I need to submit the form whenever the user changes the value. So the user changes the value means on change. So here I need to submit the form. So for this one, what we need to do is, so here I need to capture the form. How can I capture the form here? So by using console.log, I will try to show you console.log event.current target. So this one will give you the parent element, current target, event.current target. Now if you try to let's try to check here the console. Okay, so here if you try to check Leela, so here this is our input type is equal to search, right? So this is our current target. Now this current target we need to capture the form. If you try to write the form here, event.current target dot form, if you write here, so we can able to capture this form. I will try to show you. So here Leela, now I am able to capture this form. Now what I need to do here, automatically, so whenever we are capturing this form, I need to submit the value. I need to submit it. So here I can write in such a way that submit of event dot current target dot form. That's it. Now automatically the form will be submitted. Now let's try to show. I will try to see. So now here I will try to show you, whenever I am pressing Leela here, you try to observe carefully, or otherwise I will do update, right? See, whenever I am pressing the value, so we are able to see the value has been, the filter has been done. So here you will be able to see it. I am not pressing the enter. So this is the use submit hook. If you want to submit the form manually means, then you can use this use submit hook. So now we have learned about the use submit hook. So whenever you type the value, the form is submitted automatically. So note that the argument to submit we are passing is the event.current-target.form. The current target is the DOM node the event is attached to, and the current target.form is the input's parent form node. The submit function will serialize and submit any form you pass it to it. That is the thing which I want to tell you. Now here, whenever we are trying to add the value, we are not able to see this thing, right? Whether the form is submitting or not. So it will be better if you add a nice search spinner for this one. So what I will try to do is, I already have some CSS with me. So I will try to copy that CSS. I will show you. So I am copying that CSS with me. I don't want to extend this search and all those things. Now here index.css, what I will do is I am pasting the CSS here, search spinner, I am adding a search spinner. Let's go to the root.jsx. Here I will be showing the search spinner. Here I will be adding div id is equal to search spinner. So I have added this search spinner. Now if you try to see here search spinner, now let's see, yeah, here I am able to see this search spinner. So here we are able to see it. Now another one what I want to tell you is, oh sorry. So that is about the search spinner thing. So we have added the search spinner, and also we will apply some CSS to this one, so that text and all those things which is coming, it will come little bit left side. So I am copying this one and I am pasting it here also. So here I am able to see, now here we are having some space. Now what I want to do is this search bar, it needs to be showing the search bar always whenever we are trying to search. It is always showing it, right? It should not happen it like this. So for this one what we can do is we can make use of this navigation. Okay, now for example let's say that I will console the navigation, console.log navigation dot location, or otherwise we will try to do navigation. So here if you try to see the navigation, now here whenever I am searching the value, let's remove this one. Whenever I am searching the value L, I have searched it, right? First it will be in the loading state. So in the loading state you will be able to have a location, that is nothing but q is equal to L and all those things, and again you will be able to see this location. And when the state is in the idle, so these all the things will be in location and all the things will be undefined. So that means, so when this navigation is loading, we are able to get the location. So by using this location we can get it. So whenever we are having a location, okay, and we need to capture this query params, okay. So when this has q, so when this search has q, then I need to show the search bar, or otherwise when the location doesn't have anything, means so when it is an undefined, I don't want to show this search bar. So this comes pretty handy, right? For example, let's say that when the state is in the loading, yes it is in the loading, and the search is there, so that means the query parameter is there, so that means the user is trying to search it here. When this in the idle, means when the location is not there, means then the user is not searching. So we can make use of this one. So for example let's say that here I am using it, right? So I can write here something like constant searching is equal to, it should have navigation dot location, okay, and ampersand. So when this navigation dot location is there, so then I need to use URL search params, okay. This should be URL search params of I need to have navigation dot location dot search, and here it will be having the map values. So here I need to have that has of q, that's it. So when it is having has of q, that's it. Now you will be able to get this searching value. Now here I can write in such a way that, so this one it should be hidden when this is not searching, that's it. Now if you see the output for this one, so now the searching is not there. Now here when I try to show here, see I am able to get this loading symbol. So this is how we can able to implement this one. So now what we have did it, we have made use of this submit, which will manually submit the form. So you need to send the form as a parameter, so that it will submit the form on every keystroke. And another one is, so in order to show the loading symbol, we are making use of this navigation.location. So navigation.location has the query param in it. So whenever a query param is there, means then it is trying to search. So here I am using of the search spinner in the CSS, and we are making use of this one. So that's it guys about this one. I will commit this code in a new branch, that is nothing but video-111 video-111, and I will commit this code. Use submit hook. We are made use of this use submit hook. So whoever may be having doubts or anything, if you want to refer this code, means so you can get the repository URL is provided in the description below. You can make use of that one. And if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.